Welcome to My Family Finance. Got two quick questions for you. Do you read your mortgage statement? And number two, do you understand your mortgage statement? The purpose of the small intros is to help people think. Over the last 10 years, me working with clients, the more I get people to think about their situation, where they are, people see their situation for what it is. Sometimes we sort of don't want to look at it, put it aside, but my role in this is to constantly come back at you and sort of say, you know what, have you thought about this? Have you thought about this? Once people are thinking, they're going to make their own decisions and move forward. Again, we're going to focus on your mortgage statement and more importantly, help you understand it. So we're going to take a snapshot of, assuming that you've had your mortgage for a couple of years now. So what I want you to do is sort of go back and sort of remember what was the mortgage balance, or grab an old statement, have a look 2-3 years in the past and say, okay, what was the actual balance at the time? Then write it down on a piece of paper, then write down your current mortgage balance. Okay, so obviously from that time frame to that time frame, your mortgage should have come down. How much has it come down? Just write that figure down. Okay, next step is, in the last couple of years, what kind of payments have you put towards it per year? Okay, and so you've got an annual figure, then you times it by the years that you've had your mortgage. So it could be in the last 3 years you've had the mortgage, you've paid X amount of money into the home loan. So then you need to compare it with your current balance and say, okay, well, how much has my loan come down? Where's my money? Where have I've put all this money into the loan, where has it gone? So that's a question. Obviously the natural answer is, it's gone to the banks and interest, but it's a bit more than that. You've got to sort of really break it down and have a look at it. Well, the amount of money that's been sort of wasted, yes, the banks have taken in interest, or it's gone to the shareholders, but how has that helped my family? So the reasons for these videos is to help my clients think, and obviously for you guys, really think about where your finances are, how much money you're pouring into it, what can I do to reduce that, all this extra money that I'm putting towards it that's been eaten up by interest. Thank you guys.